Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at how to say sorry in English. So let's get started. There is one more than one way to say sorry in English. Here's how to own up to your mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Learn how to apologize, say sorry for your mistakes before you make them. Ways to apologize. Sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry for your loss. A person or pet died. Sorry for your loss. This refers to a person or pet died. I apologized. I apologize. You've made an error. You've made an error, so you say, I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. After someone shares bad news, such as child's illness or a job loss. Sorry to hear that. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. This means you did something by accident. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. This means you did something by accident. Excuse me. This means you need to get by or your body release gas. Excuse me, you need to get by or your body release gas. Pardon me. This means you need to interrupt or same as excuse me. Pardon me. This means you need to interrupt or same as excuse me. Common gestures that go with apologies. Eye contact. Eye contact. Look into the other person's eyes as you say sorry. Hold one hand in front of your mouth after you make a mistake. Hold a hand over your heart as you say sorry. Wide eyes and mouth show how sorry you are. When words are not enough, bring flowers. Bring flowers. Bring a hot coffee or tea. Bring a hot coffee or tea. Bring a bottle of wine. Bring a bottle of wine. Leave an apology phone message. Leave an apology phone message. Send an e-card. Send an e-card. Slang for I'm sorry. Slang for I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. Common among teenagers. Whoops. This is casual. Whoops, this is casual. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. Casual or sarcastic. Note. Apologize. This is British English. Apologize, this spelling can be used in British and American English. This video ends here about how to say sorry in English. Thanks for watching.